एक बार ड्रम बजा रहे डूम 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 डूम। ड्रम ड्रम खाना बना रहा है हाँ? I know. Eva's out at the zoo. Hi there. Hi Eva. You say hi to the monkey? Huh? Ooh. Eva's first trip to the zoo. Eva, look. Look, there's a monkey. Hi, monkey.
Today is June 15th. It's Hiba's 9th birthday. 9th month birthday, I should say. Yeah, and it's past her bedtime too, so she's a little bit cranky. But we just got back home. It's 8 o'clock, a little bit past 8. And we have a cake ready, made by Mommy. She's wearing her cool little wire-free headset. That's the thing that's flashing on her ear. Let's just do it right here. What?
The candle won't stay.
What?
Air's coming straight from me.
Oh, stay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hiba. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow, Chanda.
Blow up.
Ready?
Woo.
Yay!
Kaku kattana? No, your mouth. Yeah.
Sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
She just like pushed
You
it.
did it!
Say hi. Hi. Say
Hi! Hi! Happy birthday! Say happy birthday,
You
everybody!
want some cake?
No cake today.
Look. Yum yum. Chocolate.
Is it yum yum?
It doesn't look yum yum, but it's yum.
It looks okay. Yay! Yummy? Yeah?
Here.
Mm.
No, take that little bit. No?
It's okay.
Okay, sure.
Our house, we're packing. I'm gonna let her do it. And this is the hi. Face her completely towards the box. Instead, she's at an angle.
Why don't you come on this side?
There, my Hiba. Good job. You're a professional stander.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi.
This is our master bedroom. Chaos. And the master bath. This is 14600 Plain Rock Pass. This is my second office. Where I work. The shower.